Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we will discuss the electrical single line diagram of a typical house. So in this video we have this single line diagram of a residential project, real residential project. And so initially I will go to the video. Initially I want to discuss what is the actually a single line diagram, what it is. A single line in electrical means a single line diagram. It's a simplified electrical drawing which tells or which shows the main power flow of a system using a single lines instead of showing the individual each wires. So it's a single line overview of the whole system, the main system. So in this video you can see that we have the single line diagram of a housing project. So I'll start from the bottom. So here we have, from the main grid we have the connection here. So this single diagram is typically for three phase connection. So it's basically three phase RYB, red, yellow, blue. It's three phase connection. So we are discussing the three phase connection. So we, for housing project, we usually use single phase. So when the connection enters the DB box, it gives the single phase to the each component of the house where we need the single phase. So I'll start from the bottom. Here we have the, from the start, when we have the initial connection from the utility grid. So from the main grid we have three phase connection. So it enters the metering cabinet here. So here we have the three phase meter here, which here you have the load, and here you have the 125 amperes 4 pole MCCB. So this is the metering cabinet. This one is the metering cabinet, and here we have the MCCB. So for meter you can use three phase city meter or any other energy meter, so if you want. So what sort of connection you have, according to the connection you can use the meter. So here we have three phase meter here. So we can demonstrate the cable information here. So 4C.50 squared millimeter XLPE ARM PVC CU. So Cu mean copper, and PVC as you know, PVC polyvinyl chloride, and ARM armed, and XLPE it's a cross linked polyethylene. And you have this 4C, it means 4 core. How you have this 4 core? So one phase, two, three phases, one neutral wire. Here you have maybe, yes, three phases, one neutral wire, one grounding and earthing wire. So now the connection enters the MDB, main distribution board box. So here we have the main distribution board. So in the main distribution board you have this initial MCCB 35 kiloamperes, 125 amperes TP rating, and here you have the another MCCB here. So here we have the bus bar, both side bus bar, because we have to divide the connection for each separate floor, because we have here we have the, for the first floor here we have the DBG for the ground. So I will divide connection, and so the connection will go first floor, ground floor, through the cable glands of the MDB, and we can write the cable description here. So one core 16 squared millimeter PVC copper. So it's neutral wire or grounding wire. This one is the grounding. Here four cores, you have the neutral, and three phase connection, because when you want to give the single phase, you'll give with one neutral, one phase, and you'll get the single phase connection in the housing, utility housing area. So this one is the symbol of earthing. So here we have the earth manhole 2, earth manhole 1. So it's earth manhole pit. So you can earth the, so one core we have 25 square millimeter, 0.25 square millimeter. PVC copper we have the earthing connection of the, this connection of the earthing connection of the main distribution board. So here we have the metering cabinet earthing symbol here, and this will connect to the grounding lug of the earth manhole. So here we can demonstrate the earthing of the MDB. And now you can see this one is the DBG, distribution board, ground floor. So here we have distribution board of first floor. So in distribution board you typically have the single pole breakers or double pole breakers, or grounding bus bars here for the neutral connection, to merge the neutral connection. So hopefully you understand all the components of the single line diagram connection flow. So hit the like button, keep subscribing, keep sharing. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Thank you.